You can make money with affiliate marketing by creating product review videos. If you are camera shy, don't worry, you can create faceless videos using the AI tool at Fliki.ai. Here are the steps you need to take to make it happen. First, choose a product to review. It's important to choose a product in a niche you're interested in or have some prior knowledge about. This will make it easier to create a genuine and informative review. You can promote proven products that are known to sell well, or new products that are just launching and have a high commission rate. You can find digital products coming to the market at the affiliate launch directory at muncheye.com. Once you have selected a product to promote, you'll need a script for your video. You can write a script or generate one using ChatGPT or Google Bard. Every 150 words will equal about 1 minute of video, so aim for at least 300 words. Be honest and transparent in your review. Don't be afraid to point out both the pros and cons of the product. Also, be sure to focus on the product's benefits and how it can help potential customers. While I recommend you create your own script, if you don't want to, Fliki has a built-in AI scriptwriter you can use. Once you have a script, create your product review video. Fliki makes it easy to create high-quality videos without any prior experience. Simply input your script, choose a voice and visuals, and Fliki will do the rest. After your video is created, it is time to publish it on YouTube or other platforms. Be sure to include your affiliate link in the description of your video so that viewers can click through to purchase the product. You should also promote every video you publish. You can promote your video on social media such as Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, and Instagram. You should also promote your video on your website if you have one. The more people see your video, the more likely you are to generate sales and earn commissions. Keep making videos about other products in the same niche, and you'll grow a following and make more affiliate sales. If you find that you like making videos, consider posting your video creation services on Fiverr and Upwork and making videos for other affiliate marketers for a fee.